We arrived to Hua Hin after a long ride, and definitely now we are a little bit hungry.
Yeah.
Again hungry, and we see something really interesting. We will share that with you. Have a look. One each. Aloy.
ขอบคุณครับพูดไทยเก่งมาก
Aloy.
ไทยเก่ง3 tỷ hết 3 tỷ
Aloy.
อยู่ยังพูดไทยได้เลย
It's just amazing to see this old lady still working with his son and making these nice buns. What is the taste, Megumi?
Coffee, pumpkin and potato.
Okay, we will try it.
Yes.
Wait, I have to charge my battery for my mobile because nearly start to be empty. So wait a second. So which taste we get?
Yes. Look
How big?
how big it is. This one is a coffee taste. This yellow is a pumpkin, and white is inside is a potato.
So just show you the size of your hand. Put in your hand.
No, huh?
Hot?
Hot.
Ah, really?
Wee. Ah. Okay.
So
Can't.
it's better we go a little bit further and
Yeah.
do the testing after.
Yeah, a little bit wait.
Okay, put in the scooter.
Let's go.
Okay, let's go. Okay, guys. Like we are waiting, so we
Yes.
stop on the side of the road. Take these 3 different buns, which are just huge.
Huge.
Take one in your hand to me to show.
Okay.
Wow. Looks nice. So describe a little bit what is the different taste.
Yes, that is a coffee taste.
So,
A little bit brown one.
so this one will be coffee taste.
And
Still warm, huh?
Yeah. This one is a pumpkin,
Yellow.
yellow. And this one, they said inside is a potato.
Sweet potato?
So I think so. Yeah.
Okay. So by which one we try?
I wanna try coffee taste.
Okay, let's try coffee taste.
Okay. Let's see. Inside nothing.
Okay,
Let's try.
let's try it. So soft. Really soft and moist.
The coffee taste.
Yeah,
Yeah, amazing.
really with coffee taste. I imagine that for the breakfast, must be yum. But they said nighttime, morning they are not there, huh?
No. Only afternoon, nighttime.
Definitely I like it.
Yeah.
So, one thumbs up.
Where one done up.
So, the first one was good.
Yeah.
Coffee
Second,
taste. Let's try
white.
white.
Inside is a potato. Let's try.
Have it open.
Ah, no? Nothing.
Ah,
Ah. Made a mistake.
maybe misunderstood each other.
Yeah, possible. Try.
Also super soft.
Soft.
I like it.
Let's say plain. The taste.
Yeah. Yeah, I agree. It's plain. But the structure is quite amazing. It's a soft and moist,
Yeah.
and the taste is nice.
Nice.
It's just
Tiny sweet.
yeah, little bit sweet, but tiny. So you can use to do even a salty sandwich or something. You can use in every different way.
Yeah. If you want to put the jam or Nutella,
Yeah, Nutella must be yum. Huh?
or eat like that. No
Yeah.
problem.
After that, we can cut it with even salty stuff. It's okay. It's not this kind of taste which cover the taste. It's really neutral.
Neutral taste.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's been good to stop.
Yeah. Good.
So, as you see, we always stop. Coffee,
Yeah.
we try many stuff. So that's why our channel is all about food and travel. So it's our passion, and hopefully we will more share our food we discover or nice places. There's some food we already know, so we will share with you, or together we will discover new things. So with the time we will see all this stuff. Okay, now last one.
So, thumbs up or no?
Yeah, this one, thumbs up.
Yeah.
So far, both of them.
Third one, yellow.
Ah, nice color, huh?
Yeah.
Really intense yellow, huh?
A pumpkin.
Really intense yellow.
Inside, nothing.
Okay.
Okay, try.
So still the same structure.
Yeah.
Moist and soft. I will show you. Don't know if the image would be nice.
Tiny, slightly pumpkin. The end. Concentrate.
Yeah, just tiny, but it's not strong at all. Nearly you need to concentrate to feel. Even I was nearly thinking is plain.
Yeah, but the end.
Yeah,
The sweetness of the pumpkin.
yeah, but really
Just nothing.
compared with the most strong taste was the coffee one.
Yeah.
This one really feel coffee taste. This one we said a little bit plain, even a little bit sweet, but really
Tiny,
yeah.
tiny.
And this one is I said plain, but you feel at the end
Just
tiny, the taste of the pumpkin, but the color is
nice.
just it's a nice yellow. It's not fluor yellow. It's really intense, nearly like a banana. But where we are, so we tried 3 of them. So I think now it's time to say bye bye
Yeah.
for today. It's been a long day.
Yeah, long day. Yes.
Okay, bye bye all.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Next time.